Hi, everyone. This is the first in a series of videos for getting started with the Our Sci Reflectometer. This video will just be a walkthrough of what you should expect in your kit. So to start, you'll get a package like this from USPS. If you ordered an Android with your kit, you need an Android for this device. So if you don't have one, hopefully you ordered an Android. It'll come like this. We've installed the battery for you. So there's the phone in here with a battery installed, plus a charger and all the instruction manuals that came with the phone. We'll also have a setting up that phone tutorial later in this series. And then you'll get a box like this. And in that box is, of course, your reflectometer. Looks like this. And additionally, there are a bunch of other sort of little goodies. So to start, a microfiber cloth that is for cleaning the light guide and the calibration standard. Again, we'll get into that later. You'll also find 4 plastic cuvettes in addition to 1 narrow glass cuvette and 2 pipetters like this. Those are all for liquid samples. You'll find 1 glass petri dish. That's for solid but granular samples, so something like soil. A round object guide. This just lines up on the surface of the device for round samples, something like beets or carrots. And then finally, a charger for that reflectometer. So that's what you should expect when you get your package in the mail. And we'll continue with more tutorials on setting everything up. Thanks for watching.